Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Wednesday, 2023, October 4th. All right. Glad to have everybody here. Michael's typed in a greeting. Eva is going to be here. She'll be a few minutes late. Ran into a little issue dropping her car off. She'll be here. All right. Market's open. And, of course, the big news, national news, Speaker McCarthy out. Market doesn't care. Market's up. Dow Jones up, S&P 500 up 0.2. Oh, Dow just went red. NASDAQ up. Speaking of the Dow Jones, look at this. Year to date, down 0.5%. Quite a precipitous drop, because it was up for most of the year. It is down year to date. Red, negative. Wow. We're up about 13% for the year. F&T picks. Take that. And we got 3 months left to push that higher, hopefully. S&P 500 rises. Treasury yield slipping after light jobs data. Jolt job openings forecast 8.81 million. Actual 9.61. Here's the ADP non-farm employment change. Forecast 154 came in nearly half, almost 50% below the forecast, 89,000. That's kind of a big deal. Friday, we'll get the actual government employment numbers, but ADP processes a huge percentage of the country's paychecks. That's a pretty good read on it. So, number of new jobs about. And the market's taking that as good news. Treasury yields down, market mostly S&P 500 NASDAQ up on that news. So, the drama will continue to play out in Washington. Will there be a new Speaker of the House? We don't know. I don't think they meet until next week. So in a bit of a limbo in terms of the Congress right now. Some could make the case it would be a good thing if they can't get anything done. Just kidding. We're not here to have political commentary other than to note things that happen that could affect the overall market, because we're here to trade the market. All right. S&P 500 daily chart, what's it look like? Well, it continues this move down. Forecasted it would get down to the 200-day moving average. I think we can say it's there. Another big question is, will it go through it? You can see the angle down here, still not as steep as it was, but we still have momentum to the downside. So it could continue down even farther through the 200. It did back here. But we'll continue to watch that. Okay. A couple trade. We liked a tap yesterday. I send the alerts first, and then I go take the trades myself so that, everybody has an opportunity to trade it at the same time as I do. And so I sent the alert out, went to take the trade. It's like, oh, look, trading's halted on tap. They had a big announcement pending. So, the protocol is when there's going to be this big announcement to suspend trading. And their big announcement was a very large share buyback, and they are surging up on that. So as soon as I couldn't place the order, I sent a note out, hey, hold off on this trade. So this trade's canceled. Presumably, if you tried to trade it when I sent the alert, you wouldn't have been able to, because trading was suspended. If you took it earlier, all trades, we said make sure it meets your criteria, and all trades, carry risk. Hopefully you use risk control on that. And I think it did hit the stop we had established. The high here, 63.84, one tick away. So very, very close, one tick from stopping out anyway. So, of course, that trade is scratched for now. All right. And we did take SMH short. This one's still valid. I got into the trade. That's live. All right. Nice downtrend here on SMH. It's up just a little bit today. Had a big down day yesterday. Negative momentum in a downtrend. Nice series of lower high, lower high. Hopefully heading lower. We're in that trade. It's up a little bit, but I think it still looks good. Reward to risk is better entry price if you're interested in that one. We were tracking T-Mobile, and it ain't triggering. It ain't getting there. It does look like it has some support on the 50-day moving average, bottom of the cloud, so it could go up and trigger from here, but it is not there yet. All right.